currently working on my cousin's closet. This is so not safe. This is wrong, guys. This is not the way how to assemble. First of all, that wood's not supposed to be like that. This is OSHA not approved. And then, here I'm gonna be removing all of this part because we don't need it. And we're gonna extend his closet all the way over there, so he's gonna have a bigger space. Let's do that. What's up, you guys? I'm currently working on my very first client's room. My client was inspired of my projects, my room in my house, and I've decided to do something for his house. So right now, in the back of me, as you can see, I am going to be working on his walk-in closet. So right now, I'm going to try to demolish everything in here, including the ceiling and brand new wall, drywall. It's a mess, but I'll get it done as soon as possible. But it will look nice. I see in my head, I see the vision, and it's going to look really great. Next, recording. I don't know why it's not fast forward. look at that. It's finally coming along. My cousin decided to do this on his own, putting up the compound without me, but at least he got the job a lot faster, and I'm excited for the new results for this project and my design of my work. And I'm gonna be a little bit jelly if this comes out the way how I want it to be, but wow. My client finally finished since I wasn't able to help because of my surgery, but it's getting there now. See, this is his closet. No design by CB. Click Bonachita. So I'll post more videos and pictures after this whole thing is complete. So what y'all think? So what's up, you guys? So over here, as you can see in the background, this is my client's upgraded closet. Yeah, I'm pretty excited the way how I designed this to design this whole entire room. I have it all planned out and pictured, and it turned out pretty great. So as you can see, the top is half blue and half white. There will be a nice touch of molding. There will be lightings on the top, shelving in the middle, shoe racks on one side, and a rack for hanging clothes. There will also be shelves on the top. So by the time this whole thing is complete, I'll show you the full completed project of this closet. It's gonna look amazing. I got everything all planned out. It took me a couple months to work things all together with the documents and measurements and equipment, and especially estimating. I have to estimate how much this whole thing is gonna cost for my client's bedroom, especially for the closet. So now it's not just only the closet, but this whole entire room is gonna be renovated by my design, which I'm so excited that my client chose me to design the whole room, and I'm excited for how this thing is gonna turn out. But I'll let you guys get to see the full picture of the whole closet. And I'll keep you updated for the new version of this project. I'll talk to you guys more later about that.